12 packages per case, 200 towels per package, 2,400 paper towels per case. Scott Essential C Fold paper towels are designed for single-use general-purpose cleaning and drying. The single-ply design helps reduce waste. The built-in absorbency pockets mean that the commercial towels soak up lots of water fast, so they get the drying job done right. The C-fold, sometimes called a tri-fold, facilitates stacking and unfolding, and the 10.125-inch by 13.15-inch size is compatible with many universal and C-fold dispensers. Buy them in bulk to reduce your risk of running out. Scott Essential provides reliable balance of efficiency, performance and value. When you're looking for a reliable paper towel for your business, in a kitchen, office or restroom, Scott Essential C Fold paper towels are a great choice. Even though they're economical, they are packed with innovations that help keep your commercial and business restrooms efficient. The C-fold design is made especially for smart stacking and unfolding, and the built-in absorbency pockets, to soak up a lot of water fast, mean that one of the C-fold towels can typically get a drying job done. The unfolded towel measures 10.125 inches wide x 13.15 inches long, and is compatible with most universal multi-fold and C-fold dispensers, sold separately. Each pack comes with 200 single-ply recycled white C-fold towels. You'll want to buy them in bulk so you won't risk running out. Top reviews from the United States. Great towels that save money. I first bought these towels when COVID hit and I couldn't find paper towel rolls anywhere, and now I love them. I still keep a roll of paper towels next to the sink for lightweight use, but these towels are more heavy-duty and save me money because comparatively, I buy less towels now than I used to. The roll of towels is barely used, and I even cut some of these towels in one half and use for napkins.